Basho, tell me, how can AI help me to generate an estimate or a scope in HubSpot?
Yeah, so in HubSpot we have so what you can do with with things like that estimate and scope. So normally, we used to go to ChatGPT directly. You can write your like demand, or I want this, and write for me a scope or an estimate, and then AI is going to generate. But now it can come a time where now you want your customer to be able to do that. You see, from your letter, for example, from your website. So now you can build a form inside HubSpot. So you build kind of like a HTML form in your front end HubSpot, where your customer, they're gonna go and then fill, you see, certain questionnaire that you're gonna give to them. And then from this questionnaire that you're going to give to them about the code letter, for instance, letter, for instance, you want like the company, they do tailoring, you see, so like suits and stuff, like custom suits. So now they're gonna ask for, like the form is gonna ask for the size and this and that and all the stuff, and then you're gonna get those information, you understand. And then from there, what you're gonna do now with the integrations, you can use OpenAI GPT, where you can from the CMS serverless function that HubSpot does provide, where you can connect now the API integrations, and then you do some configuration. So now you're gonna have to feed also your AI with certain information about the code, you see. So later, for instance, certain costs, you see, certain costs, certain measurements, and from there now, with the input that's going to come from the forms, and then with those measurements and all the costs and stuff like that, so then the AI is going to generate now kind of like a nice code for the client. So now it's going to generate later, for instance, as if you told AI generate the HTML stuff, you see, it must generate kind of like a HTML table nicely. And then from there, once it generates, you can get those code, and then you inject it into a PDF, or you just into the page, and then the customer will be able to see that code, how it's going to be. So now from there, they can be able to get the code. But now, if you want now that information to go to your CRM, so you can tell them, okay, submit, so that you can get more information or the right details, or certain more detail about whatever information that you're giving, you see. So that is, you can call it like a cost calculator. You see, right now we do have a cost calculator, a program cost calculator, you see. But now that one, now you add AI into it.
Okay.
You see, but now with the CRM, now you can try to use the CRM now to inject those table into the PDF, where also you can the customer can download, you see. And then at the same time, you can also attach that PDF, you see, with the those information that you're gonna get from the report of AI. You take all this information, you submit it as a form into HubSpot CRM. You see, so yeah, so that's also can be done. So yeah, you can do that that estimate as well, yeah.